Something is quietly changing inside you. You might not even have a name for it, but you feel it. You wake up differently. Certain people no longer drain you the way they used to. Situation that once sent you spiraling now barely move you. And honestly, that stillness you feel is not emptiness. It is God working. Here is what nobody tells you about divine transformation. It does not always come with a thunder. It does not always look like breakthrough moment. Sometimes powerful shift in your life happens in complete silence in the background while you are the simply living, trusting and letting go. God does not always announce what he is fixing. He just fixes it. Think about the person you were 2 years ago, the anxiety you carry, the relationships you held out of the fear, the version of yourself that settled because you did not believe in anything better was possible. Now, look at you, still standing, still breathing, still here. That is not a coincidence, that is consecration. God has rearranging your life from the inside out. Your appetite for chaos is gone. Your tolerance for that dishonors you is gone. And what feels like loneliness in this session is actually a separation with a purpose. He is pulling you away from everything that was slowly done his plan from your life. You are not falling apart, you are being rebuilt entirely. The silence you are sitting in right now is not abdomen, it is preparation. God gets quiet before he gets big. The stillness you feel is calm before a session of overflow, alignment, and elevation. So stop trying to rush what he is building. Stop explaining the process to people who cannot see the blueprint. Your job right now is remain faithful in the quiet, to trust the shift even when you cannot see the destination. God is not done, He is just getting started. And the best version of your story is still being written. Amen.